In the heart of Ford's global manufacturing ecosystem stands one of the largest and most advanced automotive construction facilities ever built. A complex so vast that it houses over 8,000 personnel, more than 4,000 automated systems.
Every Ford Everest begins as nothing more than a coil of steel. And over the next 15 minutes, you will witness the extraordinary transformation. From raw material to a fully engineered SUV, inside the world's most formidable automotive factory. Inside these walls, Ford integrates human expertise with autonomous robotics at a scale unmatched anywhere in the world. Every step is monitored by sensors, AI control towers, and real-time manufacturing analytics that ensure maximum precision. This central command hub controls every segment of the plant. More than 50,000 data points are tracked every second. Pressure readings. Body shop line 3 is at 98% output. Stamping deviation on batch 22 corrected.
Paint shop humidity stable at 42%. All systems nominal.
Here, precision is not a goal, it is a requirement.
And now, the journey begins, where Everest first takes shape. This is the stamping zone, the birthplace of every Ford Everest. Before it becomes a rugged, off-road ready SUV, the Everest begins life as raw steel.
Confirming coil thickness, nominal spec is 0.78 millimeters.
Within tolerance.
Loading coil to line 2. The steel is guided into the press with automated rollers that adjust tension and alignment hundreds of times per second.
Alignment markers active. Feed rate stable at 12 meters per minute.
With a single strike, the press exerts more than 2,500 tons of force. It's enough to crush solid rock. Yet here, that power is controlled with surgical precision.
Reading deviation on point C4, 0.12 millimeters. Within limit. Recording data.
AGV 22, route to body shop confirmed.
In this hall, more than 15,000 individual body components are produced every day. With the steel now shaped into its essential pieces, the Everest is ready for the next stage. This is the body shop, one of the most advanced robotic manufacturing halls on Earth. Here, the skeleton of the Ford Everest is born.
Batch 12 arrived at body line 4. Begin verification sequence.
Accuracy here is critical. Even a 1 millimeter misalignment could compromise the structural rigidity of the entire vehicle. Each Ford Everest requires more than 4,000 welds, each performed with robotic precision.
Spot weld sequence. Pass. Weld temperature ranges nominal.
Heat effect zone stable.
Roof frame incoming. Prepare upper clamp array.
Perfect. Proceed with full weld pass.
Scanning sector C4, deviation of 0.118 millimeters detected.
Within tolerance. Logging and clearing.
The Everest's body is constructed in large structural modules, then fused into a single monocoque.
Dimensional accuracy at 99.94%.
Structural symmetry confirmed.
The skeleton is complete. Now, the Everest moves to one of the cleanest areas in the plant, the paint shop. The paint shop is one of the most sterile and technologically advanced environments in the entire factory. Temperature steady at 55 degrees Celsius, solution flow uniform, cycle start. This stage eliminates any invisible rust molecules or oxidized particles, leaving a perfectly clean metal surface.
Surface conversion at 98.2%, within spec. Voltage stable at 320 volts. Coating thickness nominal at 22 microns.
Surface readiness at 99.8%. Minor heat distortion within tolerance.
Nozzle pressure at 60 psi. Primer consistency optimal.
Coverage uniformity at 98%. Color depth stable.
Surface anomaly detected at coordinate B14. Particle size 0.3 millimeters.
Correction complete. Rescanning. All clear.
The paint is cured one last time, locking in the finish with diamond-like hardness. With its new protective skin complete, the Everest now moves to one of the factory's most crucial stages.
Fuel rail pressure stable at 1.8 bar.
Turbocharger 1 and 2 rotation speeds nominal. Combustion chamber balance perfect.
Vibration test at point T5, 0.03 grams. Noise spectrum within limits.
Aligning input shaft. Hold, adjust by 0.02 degrees. Locked.
Torque bolts to 85 newtons. Confirmed. Drivetrain connection secure.
Lower body by 5 millimeters. Stop. Checking mount alignment.
Perfect fit. Proceed with mount fastening.
Aligning front axle, set torque sequence on bolts 1 through 6, 140 newtons.
Check drive shaft angle, 1.3 degrees, within tolerance.
ABS sensor output 5.1 volts. Brake pressure nominal. No anomalies.
Check exhaust clearance, 11.2 millimeters. Within spec. Locking clamps.
Underbody scan complete. Chassis rigidity nominal. All systems green.
Connector C9 seated. Resistance reading 0.4 ohms. Stable.
Harness line 14 secured. No parasitic losses detected.
Checking insulation density, reading at 98.5%. Within Ford global standard. Dashboard alignment check. Left bracket locked, right bracket locked. Passenger airbag module seated. Firing circuit shows 2.1 ohms, high ZIS, nominal. Heated seat module reading, 12 volts.
Seat motor travel test. Complete. Torque bolts on rails producing 45 newtons.
Touch calibration complete. Latency at 10 milliseconds.
Left channel amplitude balanced. Right channel balanced.
DSP calibration finalizing complete. Door closing force, 38 newtons, 80, perfect.
Seal compression optimal. Panel gap reading 3.2 millimeters and hence within spec.
Full interior scan complete. No anomalies detected.
Beginning full ECU scan. 42 modules detected.
Checking CAN bus stability. Graph shows 0 packet loss.
Airbag circuit resistance, 2.1 ohms, nominal.
Calibrating headlight angle, deviation of 0.1 degrees. Within tolerance.
Front radar sees 72 test points, all green.
Field of view at 176 degrees.
Lane detection active.
Pressure stable, no drop detected.
Interior sensors show 0 moisture infiltration. Seals confirmed.
Cabin noise at 42 decibels a decibel. Excellent.
Vibration nodes stable across front and rear subframes.
Begin simulated driving cycle process, 20 kilometers sequence.
Engine output nominal at 154 kilowatts. Peak torque 500 millimeters. Shift timing stable, no misfire events.
Brake force linear. ABS modulation precise. No irregularities.
Climb assist active. Torque distribution stable.
Suspension damping nominal.
Traction control engaging. Steering feedback stable.
Stopping distance within global spec.
4WD system ballast. No wheel slip.
Tracking true. All readings nominal.
All systems green. The vehicle is cleared for shipment.
VIN confirmed. All quality signatures verified.
Congratulations, release the unit.
It is here, in the final yard, that the Everest stands among its brothers and sisters. Software package successfully flashed. Connectivity values stable.
To protect the Everest from dust, scratches, and transport damage, every exposed surface is wrapped, sealed, and shielded.
Load integrity confirmed. This shipment is ready for departure.
Shipment 92 assigned to Southeast Asia. ETA 14 days.
Port clearance confirmed.
From raw steel to a masterpiece of engineering, the Ford Everest is crafted with precision, passion, and technology.
Tested to its limits. Perfected through thousands of processes. And now, ready for the world.